artificial intelligence has inserted itself into our lives, whether we like it or not.
Transhumanism, merging human beings with machines, wanting to create a god. Bill Gates has really come around on this, a religious conception where technology is the highest power.
How do we get out of this? How can we course correct?
It is extremely important to understand who these people are, what these technologies are, and what kind of world they're trying to create. What kind of world do you want to live in?
Many don't trust the voting system. So how do we make sure that our next election is going to be any different?
It's one of our top concerns, that's for sure.
Dogs and cats are voting. Dead people are voting. It's laughable.
We got to fix it before 2024.
We're experiencing the same thing of kind of people pulling their kids out of the public school system, offering a classical, more traditional education model. We were just blocked by the left. We need to put our money where our mouths are.
It would change everything.